I'm so sleepy.
The island of Bohol in the Philippines is known for many, many things, from the cute little tarsiers to the nice food, the gorgeous island. But one of the things that it is most known for is actually its underwater world. Bohol is known for amazing snorkeling and diving spots. So, of course, the first thing that we went to do when we got there was to book a snorkeling tour. Now, they leave early in the morning at 6 a.m. to be exact. So, we had to get up at 5, and I am not a morning person, but it was so worth it. Now, the reason they get up that early is because that increases your chance of seeing wild dolphins. Now, I have always wanted to see wild dolphins, so this was such a magical moment for me. I may or may not have almost cried, and that's okay. But yeah, it was such a beautiful and special moment. We didn't stay for very long, maybe 15 minutes max. And then the dolphins just got to swim off and do their own thing. And then most of the boats left towards the island Balicasag. Balicasag is known for being one of the best spots here to go snorkeling or scuba diving. And when I say it's beautiful, I really, really mean it. The water was crystal clear. It was like glass. I barely had to edit it. It actually looked that blue in person. It was crazy. So amazing. We were so stoked. So when you arrive at the island, you actually, even though you come with sometimes a big tour group, you actually get split up in groups of 2, 3, or 4. And that is because the waters here are protected and you need to go with a local tour guide. And almost immediately we spotted our first turtle. I was so excited. It got so close as well. Now, you're not allowed to touch them. That's a very clear rule. But they kept coming up to you. So often enough, we had to swim away really fast so they wouldn't touch us. So I think somebody needs to make those rules a little bit more clear to the turtles. Besides turtles, there are so many other beautiful fish. We saw clownfish, we saw so many beautiful corals. We saw fish that are called jackfish. They swim in these really big groups out in the open. There were some jellyfish, and we did get stung a few times, but it was so worth it. Now, they actually only allow you to be in the water for an hour at a time, but if you have a chill tour guide, they will let you stay longer. The first time we stayed for an hour and a half in the water, and the second almost 2 hours, which honestly is enough because it is exhausting. My goodness, we were just swimming so fast trying to look for turtles or chase after fish, and by the 2 hour mark, we were absolutely exhausted.
Oh my god. I need Botox.
After Balicasag, we took a quick trip to a nearby island called Virgin Island, which is known for its white sandbar and its crystal clear turquoise waters and scenic beauty. It was absolutely beautiful. This place also has a very strict 2 hour max limit. They do this for environmental reasons, which I think actually is really, really great. So we just got to stay here, take some pictures, swim around, just chill in the sun, and then it was sadly already time for us to head back to the mainland.
We wanted to take a short nap, but it turned into 2 hours. And now it's 6:30 and we were like, oh no, we gotta go. So we're gonna go to the little town here and see what's up. Probably not very long. We're pretty tired from all the snorkeling today. But we're just gonna go and see what to do. Probably get some snacks, maybe get a little massage, maybe. So yeah, this is the fit. Just a skirt and a top. Wow, okay, as you can tell, I'm very tired, so let's go.
after the very adventurous day yesterday, we decided to do this day a lot more chill and relaxed. So we started our day off just waking up when we felt like waking up, going to the breakfast buffet. And I love a breakfast buffet, but this one was so nice because they actually had a lot of local food. So that was so nice to be able to try new things every single morning, and of course, lots of fruit. And then we decided to just go to the beach and have a little beach day. So we went to Doljo Beach, which was from our hotel actually pretty close, about 15 minutes with our scooter. And this beach is very known for being a little bit more quiet than the very famous Alona Beach, which is a lot more touristy. And I heard online that this place had a bit of a problem with a lot of trash, but I actually didn't notice that much. It wasn't that bad. Maybe we had a good day where the currents weren't so strong, so it didn't wash in a lot of the trash, but it honestly was a really, really nice beach. Very chill, not a lot of people. The water was super duper clear. You can actually go snorkel here as well, but you kind of have to like rent somebody to take you out with a boat because there's like this really long area of basically nothingness, and then there are the reefs. But apparently, according to Google, you could swim that, but it was quite a far swim. So there were some people on the beach walking back and forth that were trying to like sell you a snorkeling tour. We honestly were so tired, we were just like, nah, we're just doing a chill beach day. She already ate one full pouch, but it does say that she can have up to 3 a day on the package, so I'm gonna give her more. Because I thought she was a kitten, but I think she's a mom. Because I can see like her on her belly, like I think she looks like she either has or had kittens. She's so sad looking. I want to take her home.